Hey couples, Pastor Brian here, and I want to tell you about an update that we are making this week to our Thursday night date night live event. Now, we're going to continue to do it, but typically we have posted it on our Pursue God YouTube channel, and that's great because many of our couples that are watching this event, I almost said dialing in, my kids make fun of me for that, but many of the couples who are watching this event, who are logging in, on a Thursday night to have a date night conversation, are Christian couples. But I don't know if you've noticed, Tracy and I don't reference scripture in our date night videos. And the reason for that is because we want you as Christians, Christian couples, to use the date night event as a tool to invite your non-Christian friends, other couples, who could really benefit from these date nights, but maybe don't want the explicit, Bible references. And so instead of posting it on our YouTube channel for Pursue God, from now on, we're going to actually post it on our Flex Talk channel. So let me go to the websites and show you what I mean. So let's start at PursueGOD.org. You'll notice you'll still have access to date night by clicking on that link in the side menu, but you'll also be able to find it and share it at this link, the Flex Talk link. Now, if you've never heard about Flex Talk, it's our companion site to PursueGOD.org, but it's a site that you can use in the workplace and in the secular world out there. So once again, Tracy and I want to invite you to continue to enjoy date night. You'll still be able to find it just like always, but we really challenge you, if you're a Christian couple, to use the date night event as an evangelism tool, as an opportunity to invite another couple to strengthen their marriage, especially during this time of lockdown. But then be ready to follow up with them. Be ready to say, hey, if you want to talk about that date night topic or any other topic, we'd love to do that with you. It could be an opportunity for you to engage another couple using the tools at Flex Talk, and eventually, maybe you'll be able to use some of those conversation starters at PursueGOD.org and start making disciples.